Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix touch screen not working after iOS 16 update. So let's start the video now. So friends, make sure that your finger and iPhone clean and dry. If your finger is watery or oily, touch screen not working. Method 1. Open settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and click on accessibility. Now click on touch and turn on touch accommodation. Now scroll down and select use initial touch location. Now a pop-up menu will appear on your screen. Scroll down and click on swipe gestures that shows up at the bottom. Turn on this. Select standard under required movement. Method 2 is remove your screen glass. Guys, sometimes your iPhone touch screen does not work because of the glass. So check if your iPhone works by removing the screen glass. Method 3 is reset all settings. Reset all settings will reset your iPhone all settings. For that, open settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap general. Again scroll down and tap transfer or reset iPhone. Here tap on reset. Then tap on reset all settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. This will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted. Click on reset all settings to confirm that you want to reset your iPhone all settings.